Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I am done for the day. I traded my Apex accounts, and there's 20 of them, right around $1,700 each, and it brought me to a grand total of 33,790 before commissions and fees. So if you look down here, you can see that we have, after you pay the commissions, the on the trades, they pay Apex their money and everything, that nets me $30,323.44. That's what you would get trading the exact number that I did and the trades and all that. Over the course of a year, if you traded this every day based on, well, actually, if you did weekly, that's 151,000, and if you did monthly, the monthly is figured on 21 trading days, and it's $636,000. And if you traded this way every day for 252 trading days a year, then you would be at $7.6 million. A lot of money. So I get a lot of questions about how Apex works, and as far as um, how can you pull out the money and so forth. They allow you to pull out the first 3 months, or the first three, not months, but the first three times you can pull out. You can pull out, I think it's $3,500 on each 300,000 account, and it's I think $2,000 on a 50,000 account. That might be incorrect, so look at their website and make sure. But I'm pretty sure that's how much it is. And then once you do that three times on the fourth time, which is usually about 6 months into it. It usually takes about the third month after you start before you can pull out any money. So the third, fourth, and fifth month you can pull out those maximum values, and then on the sixth month you can pull out as much as you want. You know, you want to leave a buffer, of course, but you can pull out as much as you want. I'm trading two contracts at a time. This one right here was four total, and up here, I thought it was going to go long, and I ended up, I took a little long right here and just took a little money at a time. And I couldn't get the feel for what it was going to do. And it was after I traded my live account on the move right here. So I traded my live account there, and then I traded my Apex accounts here. So on my Apex accounts, I went ahead and traded, felt that it was going to go ahead and go long here, and these are all manual trades. I didn't do the bot, and I traded manually based on using my trender, my momentum, my institution, and the balance and the mover. These are the indicators that I used. And having all those together, it really gives me confirmation for what I'm wanting to do. Same with here. I didn't get this entry coming off of the top here. I actually took a long there and then took a loss right here. And then I ended up getting it back right here. And then when it went up, I kept waiting. I thought it may go ahead and go up, but I waited. And then I entered two more short here, and I entered two more short there. And it just kind of kept going. So I ended up going ahead and put my stop in, and I got stopped out for a little bit of profit. And then I hopped back in a short right here. And then I added two more here, and then I took my profit here. I have my profit target down here on the balance, the TP5, and that's where I had it. And it when it pulled down, I put my stop in to protect any kind of profit in case it would go up. This could have easily just went right back up here. It ended up coming down to my TP5, but it is what it is. I still come out really well. I averaged about $1,700 per account. There's 20 accounts there. So it's good numbers for me. Um, and this is a new strategy that I come up with last week, and it's actually working really well. I've taught it to the other members in the Ninja Suite, and they all seem to be doing pretty good using the scalper, and a few of them are starting to lean more over to this. I think this one's a little bit easier, and it really kind of depends on what time frame you run. So I started off a smaller time frame this morning when it was just barely moving, and then when the news came out, I went to a larger time frame. How do you get involved with this? Well, you go to the spymoneyllse.com. When you go there, you can just click right here, or you can go up to, oh, before I do that, I'm going to show you something. A lot of people have asked about that Excel worksheet. It is free. Just download it here, you put it in your cart, and it is 100% free. No credit card necessary. So you can use this for yourself. So if you go up to the Ninja Suite, click on that, and that's going to open up the page, and it's going to talk about everything. If you already know you want it, you can click here to go ahead and lease it. Here's a video explaining a little bit about how it works, but in a nutshell, the way it works is you get all the indicators on the website, plus you get the good indicators, as I call it, on the Ninja Suite. These are not available to the public, and I have some more that's not even listed on here that actually work really well. We've got several bots that we use. For the most part, most people are using the Scalper and the Rinko. These two bots here are mainly what they're using. I'm going to go ahead and build a bot for the strategy that I just showed you that I'm using. It does a really good job. I'm going to go ahead and get that made this week and get it tested out before I send it out to everybody. But I think that will possibly be the bot of choice between it and between it and Scalper. Those are my two favorite trading strategies. We have live training. We have a Discord room. In the Discord room, I tell you when the news is coming out to give you fair warning, turn bots off and things like that. We do not trade bots through the news events because they can't handle it. There's too much slippage in there, and you just don't want to trade then. You just want to wait about 5 minutes after the news, and you're fine. But I talk about charts, the news, give you call outs of what I think is going to happen. I do live training during the daytime and also trades. So I tell you about what I think is going to happen. So it's really informative to know where you're going to be to help you out. If you don't have the money to put in an account, we do offer 3 funded accounts. And we recommend, we don't offer, we recommend the 3 funded accounts. And if you're going long term, Apex is your better one. If you're looking for something to make some money right now because you need to fund like your Ninja Suite and things like that, and UProfit's your better one. You can get paid on UProfit in about, it's usually about 4 weeks or so. You can start taking money out of it. It's going to take you about 3 months to get the max out of this one, so it depends on what account you go with. If you click on Apex, and if you scroll down and you look on here, you'll see a coupon code here. This will get you 50% off. If for some reason they ever run a special that's 80% off or anything like that, this coupon will do that as well. So always use that coupon and make sure that you save money. UProfit currently has a 30% one. So when you click that logo, it'll automatically put in your 30% off. I think for most people, the 50,000 accounts is probably all you need. On Apex, you can trade 10 contracts. On UProfit, you can trade 6. To be honest with you, most people will never trade 6 contracts. Most people trade 1 to 4 contracts. So either the 50,000 accounts all you need. It's got a lower profit goal and such, so it works pretty good. I've got a 100,000 scenario here, and used to I'd like the 100,000 better, but for most people the 50 works better. And I may change this over to the 50 just so it'll compare apples to apples. The earn to trade, a pretty good one. I like the UProfit better than it. They're real similar to each other. They both have scaling, which I don't like, which means that you can only trade so many contracts before you make so much, and then you can trade the full amount. I don't like that about either one of them. Apex does not do that. You can trade what you want on Apex. And if you need to contact me, just come up here to contact, click on that, come down here, make sure you put the @spymoneylse.com in your in a filter so it doesn't go to spam. Some people's email, it goes to spam. I do respond to everybody. You put your name, email, phone number, questions in here. If you just need to talk to me about it before you make a decision, tell me what time to call you. I'm on Eastern Standard Time, so if you would put that time in there, that would be great. Or at least put your time and what time zone you're in. If you just put Eastern Time, I'll call you, that would really help me out. It's hard to find where everybody lives. We have people that's all over the country, or the world, really. We've got them in all countries all across. So put your information there. Let me know how I can help you. And again, let's go ahead and end this on this way. We'll bring this back down. And right here you go. So we've got 33,790 gross profit. And then we've got a net profit of 30,323.44. That's for today. Trading all 20 accounts all at the same time, and it's worked really well. If you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate it. Have a great day.